Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to see the credits on a game Bunker Wars. You have to start by pressing three lines at the top. Now go to Settings, then go to Support, and right here we have a credit, so just click on it. And for a few seconds we can see guys who made this game, so you will know it. If you don't want to watch it, just click on it again, and also it automatically finished when you saw all guys who made it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.